Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Tips. Like today I want to share another important tip for those people like who spend more time on internet browsing and end up with a bad headache due to the white bright background color, or like for every website you have, like you are searching something in Google, so always in website or pages background is white for most of the cases. For few cases they customized with some other color, but definitely those are not soothing for your eyes. So the people who are like writing a blog a whole day, or like someone who is doing a day long research or searching in Google, and yeah, like for those people. So I'm sure many of them like at least thought once that if he or she could change the background color to a soothing color one, and if yes, then you are in the correct place. So here I'll show you how to change the background of mostly every website by adding a simple trusted extension in your Chrome browser, which will by default like change your background color to black for the website. Like here in Google page, you can see a white background. So once you add the extension, by default, once you will search Google, so this background will be changed to a black one. Definitely that will be good for your eyes. And for longer time, you can be there in browsing your works or whatever you are doing. So yeah, that's it. Like, yeah, let's see how to do that now. Here we have already opened the Chrome browser. So what you have to do is you can see the apps here. We have to go to the apps section. That's the easiest way. Then we have a web store. We have to click here. So here you can see Chrome Web Store extension. So here we have seen so many extensions. So out of these we could see here the dark reader. Once you hover your cursor here, you can see what it is written is dark mode for every website. Take care of your eyes. Use dark theme for night and daily browsing. So this is made for this only. So you can directly go to here and click on this, and once you click it add to Chrome, you can do that. Even for someone, if you're not seeing anything dark reader in your page, so you can directly go here, search the store. So you can search for a dark theme, sorry, dark reader. So you can see you'll get here. Okay. So now what to do is add to Chrome. You can directly do it from here. Even you can click it also. End of the day, you have to click here on the add to Chrome. So once you will add to Chrome, you click on this, then it will add this dark reader extension in your Chrome browser. So let's do that. I clicked on, see, we get a pop-up, read and change. Like it's showing how it will work. So it will read and change all the data on your website you visit. If you're okay with that, then click on add extension. So now it will see here adding to Chrome. Once it will be done, we can get a new tab opened here automatically. So this tab, it's already open. It's opening actually. So dark mode. You have to do nothing. That's all. It's done. Even you close it. Okay. Not search for Google. See, now it's black. If you search for anything in Google, it's black. Even you'll go to Wikipedia, that page will also be black. So now you can like imagine like in this background you can spend more time on browsing. That's definitely better than a white one. Like each and every pages, like 99.99% cases it will be black. Like you can search live update on COVID-19 globally. So even that page will also be black. Yeah, see. Now the thing is like it's for some people it may like they may think like I don't want a black web pages or each and every time I want to be a user basis like when it's required I'll click somewhere and it will be black. So you can do that also. So what you have to do is so this is the option you can see extensions. So once you click it here, then you'll see all the extensions installed for your Chrome browser. Okay. So once I click it, I can see the dark reader here. I have three more extensions, but you can see the dark reader. Okay. So if you pin it, so you can see explicitly a dark reader extension here. Once you will click it, you can see here. Okay. So you want to off for this website, so you just click on off. It changed. Let's see. So everything is white. Now you want this to be black. So again, click on it on. It is black. This is that easy. So you can explicitly do that. Like by default, it's like you can keep it like off white. And for few website, if you want, okay. So for this, I need like I'm just reading a big blog. Like it may take 2.5 hours to read out and understand what it is. So basically, you want to spend 2 or 3 hours of a day continuously in a blog in a page. The background is white. So in that case, you can like explicitly go to this extension and then on the dark mode. So it will be dark. Once you've done with it, then you can again keep it off. So it's as you wish. Yeah, so guys, like this is it. Like I hope you like the video, so please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who will require it the most, I believe. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. It's a very new kind of baby. I'll try to upload this kind of tips, technical tips, daily basis. And please press the bell icon so that to like you'll be notified whenever I'll upload such kind of videos. Yeah, that's all. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching my videos.